Oh. I just want to make sure you're okay. You're not plotting anything, are you? Okay, I love you.
Why are you doing this?
A person who thinks all the time.
You want to come over for a treat? I thought so.
I think he's starving.
That's what you literally fucking sound like. Child.
You're a father, Cheeto.
Your father, Cheeto!
Stop running.
Jerry, come here, baby.
I told you not to step out of the shower naked in front of my cat.
I don't care. I don't have no
Look at him.
problem doing that.
Look at him. He is traumatized.